welcome back to Coffee with My Sunshine. Today I am participating in the Plaid Table-Scape for Fall or Winter Challenge hosted by the Holiday Cookie Diva. And we could do a fall or winter theme, but we had to include plaid in our tablescape. And I decided to go for a Christmas theme just to change things up a little bit. And if you would like to see what everybody else did, I will link the playlist down below. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you. I am using this plaid fabric. It's a really pale green. It's one that my grandma had given me. I only had these silver placemats, so that's what I used, but if I had them, I would use red. I think that would be really pretty. And I ended up switching to a black and white check just to see what it would look like. It was a little bit early to do Christmas, but I thought it would be fun for this challenge. And don't forget to check out the other videos in the playlist listed below. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.